Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide posts on a Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Facebook, and then you need to log in into your Facebook account, and then you need to click on your profile picture, and then you need to switch into your page. So let me switch on to my page first. Click on this option, and now it is switching. So once you are here, you simply need to click on manage post. So once you are here, you simply need to select the post and click on next. And here you can see two options: hide, remove, or delete post. You simply need to click on hide post and click on done. So this is the process by which you can hide post on a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.